Good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone. Today is Friday. It's 1st of March 2024, and here is my daily market analysis. So, I think at this level, we're now used to see prices going up. For the past 2 months, DAX has been rallying, been in a very clear uptrend. It's been in a very strong uptrend. Yes, we have seen periods of consolidation, but prices keep moving up. So we've seen parabolic moves like this. We've seen consolidation periods, more parabolic move, consolidation periods, and more parabolic moves. So now the question is, when will the price correct? So we said before, when we were going through the whole analysis of the week and of the month, we saw this kind of period of consolidation, but every time we were making new all-time highs, we're going all the way up. We bounced at this level, at the 16,800 level, new all-time highs, went all the way up, bounce against this level, new all-time highs, go all the way up. But then we had a correction. So we made new supports. Now we keep going all the way up, consolidating, going all the way up, consolidating, going all the way up. So I'm expecting right now the price to have a correction. It might not go down to the levels we expect, but I'm biased now to hold my horses with the longs and see how prices react to certain levels. When I say holding my horses, doesn't mean that I'm not going to be playing or placing any long trade, but I'll have to be more cautious about where and when to place that trade. If I'm going to play a long trade, I'm going to be using additional confluences. I'm going to be using previous day levels. I'm going to be using strong and very well supported levels, because this is the other thing, right? This is the first time in history that we're trading around these levels. Yes, this is a common pattern in stock indexes. Inflation allows fiat currency to move into different asset class, and it's a natural move to always go up, right? Not always in a straight way, but if you zoom out, they will always go up. So now the question is, how much or how long this kind of bull market will last. So that's what we don't know. So what we have to do is adapt to the market, respect the market, and surf the wave. So we placed a trade last night. I would say it was a paper trade based on my strategy. Essentially, have to follow the trend. Again, moving averages are bullish. Prices are trading above every moving averages, at least on the time frames that I work on, which means that I must play longs. However, I've been working on a strategy for counter trend trades, and this is essentially what I've been doing the past days. As prices move above or below previous day levels, I will take that as a confluence, as a consideration. But I would also try to find the price to be exhausted, or the move to be exhausted, and that tends to happen when we break levels of previous days, right, and average days. So that's why I use the ADR as an additional confluence. And last night, just moving just moving, focusing on the 10 minutes time frame, we can see the prices went all the way up. They broke above the previous day high. We kept moving. We kept, the momentum to the upside. We had a bounce in the 10 minutes moving averages. But then, after we passed the ADR level, the prices started to reject, to reverse. So in this case, I just saw this kind of bearish hammer. That was a sign for me of rejection. However, it closed above the ADR level. So I just waited for the next candle to be bearish to enter my trade. I put my stop loss at the latest pivot point, 2 to 1, and this is what happened. The same happened 2 days ago. I had a similar trade, but the move was exhausted, and it was another winner. I've been back testing this type of setup as well, and I have to say that essentially data is looking great for me to consider this as part of my strategy. So I'm going to keep gathering information. I'm going to keep gathering more data, and start considering to add this as part of the strategy. Just at least in these scenarios where prices keep going all the way up and never it doesn't stop. At least not in the long run or in the long term, but we have momentum like this, and we'll try to take advantage of that right now. Okay, so this is my daily market analysis. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a good day.